Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to record Windows 11 screen for free, without any third-party app. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. For recording your screen, you'll need the snipping tool, which should be updated. For screen recording, your snipping tool version should be 11.2211.35.0, or later. For updating the snipping tool, open your Microsoft Store, and then go to the library, and then update the snipping tool. After the snipping tool is updated, open it. Now select the New Record option. And then click on New. You will then be able to select and refine the part of your screen that you want to record before starting your screen recording session. Now to start the recording, simply click on the Start button, and with the default timer, your recording will start. While recording your screen, with the new snipping tool, you can also pause the recording, and then resume it later. When you are finished, click on Stop button to finish the recording. You can now preview your recording before saving or sharing it with others.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.